we will continue the triangle ABC problems, okay, similar type. So now last time 3 sums we did, so let us call this as number 4, okay. Sine square A plus sine square B minus sine square C. You have to prove this is equal to 2 sine A sine B cos C. Sine A sine B cos C. Okay, let me start with the left hand side. Now last two terms I underline. So first term I keep as it is, and now if you take these two together, do you see what I am having in mind? A square minus B square. How do you factorize A square minus B square? A plus B, A minus B. So A square minus B square. So factors sin B plus sin C into sin B minus sin C. A plus B, A minus B. First term no change, plus, now formula sin B plus sin C. It is like sin C plus sin B. So formula says 2 sin addition B plus C upon 2, then cos subtraction B minus C upon 2. Now this bracket is multiplied by, so this into. So again into sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D. 2 cos C plus D. So B plus C upon 2 and then sin B minus C by 2. Mark this problem important because you know what you are going to observe now. First term no change, sin square A plus. Now this is all product. I want you to see the angle B plus C by 2. Same angle is here, B plus C by 2. And because it is multiplication, order I can interchange. So I am copying this term 2 sin B plus C by 2. Suppose this angle I call theta. Then this I am copying cos B plus C by 2. Do you see how it is? 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta double. And this again is multiplication. So into, now this 2, because this 1 2 I wrote here. So now I write this 2. Now sin B minus C upon 2. And same angle is here, observe. Cos B minus C upon 2. So do you see theta is same. So again this is also of the type 2 sin theta cos theta. What will be 2 sin theta cos theta? Sin 2 theta, double the angle. First term no change, plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Answer should be sin 2 into theta. Put theta value, B plus C upon 2. Into, again 2 sin theta cos theta. So it should be sin 2 into, put the angle, B minus C upon 2. Put dots and the bracket, you write the formula. Come on, write down. Using 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to, I write here for you, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin of 2 theta. And learn the formula by heart. Okay. Now what does that give? I will erase this. Only final answer again I have kept on the board. Okay. So now let me see what I am getting. First term no change. Sin square A. No change. Plus. Here within the bracket. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel. Here same thing. So you got sin of B plus C into sin of B minus C. This is left with you. 2 and 2 are gone. Okay. Now what I told you, I look for the term B plus C or A plus C or A plus B. So in the triangle A plus B plus C equal to pi. I want B plus C. So take A on that side. So B plus C will be pi minus A. I want sine ratio. Take it on both sides. Sine of B plus C will be sine of pi minus A. pi. Coefficient is 1. There is no fraction. Sine remains as sine. Copy down the angle as A. Which quadrant? Pi minus, second quadrant. Second quadrant means sine is positive, so this has to be positive. So sine B plus C, I'll replace this value. So sine square A plus this value sine A into sine B minus C. Sine A is a common factor, so remove sine A common. What is inside? Sine A from here plus sine B minus C from here. Final answer, you need sine A, which you got. So other two terms you need sine B and cos C. So bracket you want B and C. So in the bracket make sure there is no A. So the term in A I don't want, and it is on the board. Sine A is the same as sine B plus C. So replace it back here. So outside sine A as it is, inside. For the first term sine A, I'll put sine B plus C plus sine B minus C as it is, second term. So what do I get? Outside sine A into, how is this bracket? Sine C plus sine D. Formula 2 sine C plus D, addition, first angle and second angle. When you add B plus C and B minus C, plus C and minus C will cancel, B plus B, 2B divided by 2, and then cos, subtraction, B plus C minus B plus C. So B and minus B will cancel, C plus C, it will be 2C divided by 2. So let us see what this gives me. I get this 2, this sine A, here inside 2 and 2 gone, so sine B, here inside 2 and 2 gone, so cos C. 2 sine A sine B cos C, which is what we wanted. That is equal to RHS. That is equal to RHS. Then number 5, sine square A by 2 plus sine square B by 2 minus sine square C by 2. You have to prove this is equal to 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sine C by 2. 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sine C by 2. I think we should try it on the similar lines. Last two terms are underlined. First term I will not change. A square minus B square. How do you factorize? A plus B, A minus B. So sine B by 2 plus sine C by 2 into sine B by 2 minus sine C by 2. So A plus B into A minus B. So sine square A by 2 as it is plus sine C plus sine D. Formula 2 sine, addition C plus D, B by 2 plus C by 2, C plus D upon 2, and cos C minus D, B by 2 minus C by 2 and upon 2 into, because this is multiplication, sin C minus sin D. So 2 cos, add B by 2 plus C by 2 upon 2, and then sin, subtract B by 2 minus C by 2 upon 2. Close it there. That means you got first term as it is, sin square A by 2 plus, now like last time, B by 2 plus C by 2 upon 2, this is your theta, sin theta, and same angle repeats here. See, cos B by 2 plus C by 2 upon 2. So write them in the order, 2 sin B by 2 plus C by 2 upon 2 cos, again same, B by 2 plus C by 2 upon 2 into this 2, this term sin B by 2 minus C by 2 upon 2, and this term cos again b by 2 minus c by 2 upon 2. So see what you get. First term as it is, sin square a by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This is your theta, b by 2 plus c by 2. So 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 should be sin theta. Correct? So you understand, this is theta upon 2. This is theta upon 2. So I am using 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 should be sin theta, and this is your theta, b by 2 plus c by 2. Here again same, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So sin theta, which is b by 2 minus c by 2. Actually in the next step, here 2 is the common denominator, so this is b plus c upon 2. You write the next step. First term as it is, and this angle I will make b plus c upon 2. And this I will write b minus c upon 2. This is the final answer which we are looking out for. Now I will look at this term b plus c by 2. So make your usual calculations. A plus b plus c equal to pi. So b plus c will be pi minus a, or b plus c upon 2 will be pi upon 2 minus a upon 2. Sine ratio. So sine of b plus c upon 2 will be sine of pi by 2 minus a by 2. Pi by 2. So sine became cos, angle is a by 2. And I am in the first quadrant, so positive. Okay. So for sine b plus c by 2, I am going to put cos a by 2. So you write the next step, and this becomes cos a by 2. All this time that thought was going in my mind, where this 1 is going to come from? Because we have not got 1 anywhere so far. And the answer is here. Because now cos a by 2 I have got, which I need in the final answer also. But there is no cos a by 2 here right now. So sin square theta. How do you write? 1 minus cos square theta. So this sin square a by 2, I will write 1 minus cos square a by 2. Plus this term as it is, cos a by 2 into sin b minus c by 2. So this 1 which I wanted in the final answer, now I got it. So it is first term 1 as it is, and now in the last two terms cos a by 2 is common. So minus cos a by 2 I'll keep common. 1 cos remains from here. I have kept minus sign out, so this sign has to change. It is minus. Cos a by 2 has gone out, so this will remain. Sin b minus c by 2. Now in the final answer, cos a by 2 you wanted, you got it. So the other two terms are in b and c. So bracket make sure is in b and c. So a by 2 you don't want. So on one side, now I am going to just say you write down a plus b plus c equal to pi. So a equal to pi minus b plus c. A will be pi minus b plus c. Divide by 2 throughout. So a upon 2 is pi upon 2 minus b plus c upon 2. Take cos on both sides. So cos of a by 2 is cos of all that. Pi by 2 minus b plus c by 2. Now being pi by 2, cos changes to sin. Angle is b plus c by 2. And you are in the first quadrant. Pi by 2 minus. So cos a by 2 means sin b plus c by 2. So it is 1 minus cos a by 2 is outside into bracket. First term cos a by 2 I replace by sin b plus c by 2, and this is minus sin b minus c by 2. Bracket closed. So you got 1 minus cos a by 2 outside into sin c minus sin d. Formula 2 cos addition b plus c by 2 plus b minus c by 2 c plus d upon 2. You have to always c plus d, you have to divide by 2, and then again cos. Now c minus d. So c b plus c by 2 minus d b minus c by 2 and divided by 2. So you got 1 minus, this is 2 cos a by 2 into cos. 2 is the denominator LCM. When you add, plus C and minus C are gone. B plus B. 2B upon 2. That makes it B and divided by 2. So B by 2. Here again 2 is the LCM. If you add the numerators, you get B and minus B will get cancelled. C minus of minus plus C. C plus C. 2C upon 2. C whole thing upon 2. So it is C by 2. So I think you got the answer. 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2. Oh, it's it doesn't come sin C by 2. It comes cos C by 2. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Sin C minus sin D. Formula is 2 cos and this is sin. I'm so sorry. This is sin term. You understand? Where it is sin C minus sin D. First is cos, next is sin. So this is sin. Sorry. Writing mistake. And then you get the final answer. Whatever you need. Okay? And let's do one more in this. So, now number 6. Number 6. Tan A by 2, tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2, tan C by 2 plus tan C by 2, tan A by 2 equal to 1. Mark it a very important problem, even MCQ. They can ask you for this MCQ also. Now see solution. I am not starting with the left side or the right side here. I am saying in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C equal to pi. This we know. So A plus B will be pi minus C. So A by 2, because I want upon 2 everywhere. A by 2 plus B by 2 will be pi by 2 minus C by 2. Each term I divide by 2. And now tan on both sides. So tan of A by 2 plus B by 2 will be tan of pi by 2 minus C by 2. Take tan ratio on both the sides. Same ratio. So, now left side is of the type tan of A plus B. Do I remember the formula tan of A plus B? Yes. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. So left side tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 upon 1 minus tan A by 2 tan B by 2 equal to other side pi by 2 allied angle coefficient half means fraction. So change tan becomes cot. Angle is C by 2. Which quadrant? Pi by 2 minus. I am in the first. In the first, everything is positive. So this is positive. But the whole problem is in terms of tan. So this cot, I want to write as 1 upon tan. So copy this as it is. Tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 upon 1 minus tan A by 2 tan B by 2. And this is equal to 1 upon tan C by 2. And now cross multiply. Tan C by 2 into this is all this into 1. So cross multiply. So tan C by 2 into bracket. Tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 will be equal to other way. All this multiplied by 1. So it is 1 into this, that is 1 minus tan A by 2 tan B by 2. And now open the left side, tan C by 2 into first term and then tan C by 2 into second term. So tan C by 2 into tan A by 2 first term plus tan C by 2 into second term, tan C by 2 into tan B by 2. All this is equal to 1 minus tan A by 2 tan B by 2. And now you got your answer. Last term is minus I'll bring it on the left. So let me get it on the left. It will be plus. I'll write it first. So tan A by 2 into tan B by 2. This term which was minus, I brought it on the other side, become plus. Then I'll copy this term. Tan B by 2, tan C by 2. And then we'll copy this term. Tan C by 2, tan A by 2. All that is equal to 1. This is what you wanted to show. And mention below. Hence, the result is proved. Problems are long. You need practice to get, again as I say, I repeat, mathematics is only solving again and again till you are confident of it. Okay, thank you.